Yeah.
or whatever. Extremely exquisite language. Let me touch you. Let me touch you. Let me touch you.
Welcome to my new crib. It's in Paris, you know, wherever. That's where I live now. It's pretty exciting. So let's go on a tour, shall we? All right. So welcome to my crib, everybody. Here is our beautiful aunt's room.
Hello.
Hello.
Bonjour.
Bonjour,
I
yes.
was just thinking I may live here when I retire.
Oh, me too. Oh, it spits. It vomits out the water for you. Hi, welcome to Chili's. Here's my bed, kind of a mess, been doing homework. Wow, look at this view! This is amazing. Hey, so just wanted to pop in and thank you guys for watching and putting up with my terrible vlogging. I'm definitely still trying to learn when and where is the right time to pull out my camera. So sorry these are kind of choppy and just really end abruptly because I never get like cool shots, but I'm getting there. We're getting better. They're gonna be great. So thanks for hanging in there, honestly, because kind of a trash bag, but we're getting better. So with that being said, thanks for watching and definitely tune in to the next video.